We have new rumors and leaks to suggest that the Poco F2 is coming. This comes from a couple of different sources. And first, we're going to cover what those sources are and then some of my thoughts and opinions in regards to this. Now, Xiaomi has filed for the trademark name Poco F2 in China already. So we know that they're going to be bringing us another device under the Poco name. Also, a Poco X2 has shown up on Geekbench with that code name, and the specs of it are saying that we have something called the Poco X2 Phoenix IN. This would point to a rebranded Redmi K30 specifically for the Indian market, and this device is going to come standard, at least, or it seems like in this configuration, with 8 GB of RAM. On to some of my thoughts and opinions about what this means for the brand moving forward and what you guys can expect. Now, in the past, the Poco name was made specifically for the Indian market to compete with Realme and OnePlus's lower tier devices. Now, this code name is a Poco X2. I think that we are going to be seeing a Poco X2 and a Poco F2, with the X2 being possibly a lower name or a lower tier of the device, while the F2 could possibly be a higher spec of the device for the Indian market. Now, just like we've seen in the past with the Redmi K20 not having NFC or specific bands like carrier aggregation for the Indian market, I think that Xiaomi is going to be launching the Poco brand in India without 5G. This would allow them to kind of cut the cost of the overall device. Not offering 5G in India right now isn't that big of a deal, as the rollout of 5G in India is just getting underway, and it would allow them to give a device with top tier specs at a price that is below what their competition would be offering if the competition is launching with 5G. If you guys want more news and rumors, let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys want me to kind of answer some questions, or you guys want to have a conversation about this, comment with that in the comment section down below. I will read all those comments and maybe make a follow-up video in regards to what you guys think, so we can increase the interaction, because I love to know what my viewers and what the community wants from Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco conglomerate brand. Till next time, stay tuned, and it's been Mitchell. Peace.